Hi friends, welcome back to channel again here. So today is the 1st of June, right? So this is the 1st June, that's a new month that we're beginning with. So we'll just have the analysis of the Nifty and the Bank Nifty views today, right? So this is the chart of the Nifty, look at here. So this chart is a Nifty of the 5 minute time frame, right? So you can understand here what the violent move we had yesterday after making the, like a break out of this point. That means this always works, right? The previous high has always importance in next day trading setup. Remember this. So whenever you get the breakout of the previous high, there is always chance there is an up move on that. But remember that has to be focused and looked into with the price action. So yesterday, what the sharp fall we had means that fall, I would not say it, rather it was only the profit booking, and it took exactly support of like somewhere else. This was the day of 27th high around, right? So this always works. I would not say it always works, but there is a 95% chances that it gets supports there, it gets resistance at the point of that high of previous day and the low and the high of previous day. All those things are in the vice versa, right? So what should we do today? Sorry for that. So let us do analyze in the daily pattern, right? So if you look at here, this is a completely bullish candle, right? So today we are going to open with a gap up, we'd rather say it, and this will continue even today in the higher side. That is what we are able to see here. So what will be the zone today where we are going to trade on that? So our trading setup will be there, like somewhere else you will be finding today. Buy on this strategies will be the applied here, and that is what we are going to do, right? So buy on this strategy, that means whenever the Nifty is coming near 15,510 to 20, that will be a zone for you where you can buy, right? So in order to figure it out, we need to go in the 15 minutes of time frame, right? So this is where you will be getting as a good opportunity whenever it is going to cross this level, that is from 15,550 to 70 point, I would say it, yeah, 15,580. Above this, if it is sustaining, we have another fresh high that will be around 80 to 70 points ahead on the top, right? So here it will have a little resistance, but as we are going to open the gap up, so we are likely to see all this resistance, right? So I have already said that we are going to follow the strategy that will be buy on dips strategy, right, in the Nifty. So where should we buy? As I have said to you already, that the 15,710 and the 15,750 to 80 will be a supply zone for you, right? So that supply zone has to be taken into care. Means whenever you are getting the buy on dips strategy, market is coming near to 15,550, 20, 30. These are the zone. Looking at the price, you can take a position on the long side on the other hand, right? So that's where you will be getting in a chance, and you can book the profit at the first 15,710 to 15. That will be a zone for you where you can book the profit partially. That is a Nifty analysis. So what should be our bank Nifty analysis? Bank Nifty analysis, we can look at that. Now resistance zones, so we'll try to understand bank Nifty. So bank Nifty had little bit, like a very sharp it was doing. So it is very hesitantly going up on the upper side, but it has given us very good trend line. If you see swing trend, right? So let me draw this. So as long as bank Nifty is above this channel, that means okay, about this channel we will be buying on dip strategy will be followed here. So I'm looking at this. If it breaks here and sustains for more than 15 minutes, I will go I will not go short, rather I will be just looking again another chance to get market to come down to this place. So 35,260 and all that, that will be a support zone for the bank Nifty. As I have said, in the bank Nifty, you will find the resistance zone that is called 35,700 to 80 to 70, right? So today your supply zone will be, the first resistance is going to be 35,760 to 80, and the second will be 35,870 and 900. That will be a zone, so where you can book the profit. But once it comes out of it, that means breaks out very strongly 35,870 and all that, we're going to see the next 36,000 5 36,050 and even 125. That can also be seen in the bank nifty. On the upper side, this is what we are going to see. On the downside, what should we see? It is like completely bullish engulfing candle. So we are going to see here, as I have said here, this is going to be a very good resistance for the bank nifty in days to come. But for the support today and the base where you can buy 35,235 to 50, right? Remember 35,250 and 300, these are the zone, is going to be a demand zone, right? Demand zone. And if at all it is going to break 35,150 and sustains below the, that means there is a chance that we will see downfall. But overall I am bullish this week. I am telling you, this week I am bullish, quite bullish. We will likely be seeing this 136,400 to 300 point also can be seen here. Till here I am able to see bank nifty, although it may not close above this high because it is going to be a resistance usually, right? 36,500. But near around this wick we are going to see nifty and bank nifty. So that's all about it for the nifty and bank nifty analysis for today. That is called the, the 1st of June, the series that we are going to begin. So let's wait and watch this price action during the market hour. I will give you a call sometime in the video. I'll update you where should you take the position, whether it is making upward move or you can exit your profit, right? So thank you so much. If you like the videos and if you find this worth doing, please do like and hit the like button and subscribe my channel as well. So right, that's why every day I will be giving, and I'm giving you the updates even during the market hour. Thank you so much.